Alright, y'all. I gotta get in the shower. So, let's see how you do it. You can even get it from the cashier, or you can get it from the kiosk. So, you can print your fill receipts. This is a pilot too. And do showers, but we trying to do showers. My card is acting funky. Sometimes this thing, badge on it don't want to swipe. So you gotta keep swiping and swiping. Alright, cool. So it worked this time. So now you just pretty much wait. Let the machine do what it do. Gotta wait till it print. And then, oh, that was quick. And then you walk up. You look on the TV. See, look. This is what I am. I'm shower 40, right? And that's the pin you gotta put in when you get to the shower. So you look at the little TVs. That ain't for entertainment, it's for your showers, guys. So now let's find shower 5. Oh, let's look at the GPSs. Let's look at this. Nigga, I need my Ram McNally back. Man, shoot, that Ram McNally sure look good right now with the price. I don't know. That Ram McNally TNT, $3.99. That look a little better. Man, bump Garmin, yo. Oh, that Ram McNally, what is it? The $2.99? That one that I got already. This is the one I want. I might just have to look into that joint. Let's look at the free lifetime app update. Bluetooth, hands-free calling and texting. Really? Cyrus. Oh shoot, that's alright. Built-in dash. Let's look at the Garmin. Let me stop discriminating. Free lifetime maps, Bluetooth, truck restriction, routing, lane assistance. Ram McNally, free lifetime maps, truck restriction, lane assist. Oh, I got lane assist. I ain't bad for 400. This is a little one. Trusted GPS, Wi-Fi for over-the-air map. Oh, for real? Shit. That's alright. Need that update. Let me see. Lifetime maps, Bluetooth, Cyrus receiver, built-in dash cam. Got your Garmin, free lifetime maps, Bluetooth. What is this? Transflow. Easy plug and play installation. Advanced engine data capture, accurate recording to the second. TomTom, free lifetime maps. Free lifetime TomTom traffic. 4 vehicle profile. Shoot, man. Before I go and take the shower real quick, if I had to pick out of all these, I always still pick the Bluetooth I got, which is this Bleep Parrot B450. So far, so good. It ain't funked out on me like this piece of crap here. That goddamn Blue Tiger Elite is some trash. But let me show y'all this real quick. Let me show y'all this. Yo, I'm about to get this too. Because for some reason, they always make these, dang, this shit right here don't fit brand new Freightliners. So, what I'm gonna get this bad boy right here. That's a magnet. So I'm gonna put that magnet right on the side of my door and screw that antenna on it and then plug it up to my CB and bam, I can hear everybody. Let me get my tail in here. Oh shoot, I thought that was games, but that's movies. Okay, well, you got your CBs. They be trying to say, what is it, the Cobra? Like they say the Cobra is the best ones that most older seniors get. But shit, this is the one I got. I got that Uniden. Oh, they got a brand new one? I wonder what that one does. But shoot, any real CB ain't gonna cost no $100 and some odd dollars. Like people that's like CB gurus, they probably spend like, man, if I ain't about to quote no price so y'all can clown me, but it's more than $100 and something dollars. So come on y'all, let's go catch the shower real quick. Alright, so you know they got the bathrooms. You hear people when they washing their ass. You hear them washing it. Alright. 4. What is it? Relax and enjoy. Oh, I am too. I am. I'm about to enjoy, buddy. Alright, so this is the thing. You gotta put your code in. Yeah, So the code is, guys, 407 19, so 407 now. All right. Like, look, this is my honeymoon. Carry me in, sweetie. Oh, carry me across the threshold. Shoot. Good thing I lost weight, because my husband like, I ain't carrying your fat ass across no motherfucking threshold. I'm glad I lost weight, so whenever honeymoon time comes, my baby can pick me up with one finger and carry me across the threshold. But let me get up off here, y'all. Time's the essence. Make better time of it. I still don't even like using public restroom, even if it's a truck shower. I done got so used to my own stuff that I can sit my own ass on my own toilet. Yeah. So, yeah, shower shoes, guys. Gotta do it. Look, I got mud on my shoes. And I'm stepping in this joint with all muddy shoes, and somebody messing around and get in here with no shower shoes on, not knowing that a mother sucker like me just put some muddy shoes in the joint. You know what I mean? So, and I'm pretty sure half these people that be cleaning up, shoot, they don't be trying to probably clean it all the way. They probably be having a bad day. Like, fuck these motherfuckers. They about to get a dirty shower today. So, I'm sorry, guys. This one's gonna be rated R. So when y'all see the title, rated R means there's hella cussing in it. So rated R. So time is the essence, guys. Let's make better time of it. I hope you feel better too, Izel. So deuces. Deuces.